learning about the Solidworks software. So here we have the software, Solidworks. So the first thing which we have to do is, we have to go with the file option, new we have to go, and what we are doing now is part modeling. So I am clicking on the part modeling so that I can draw a new diagram. Okay, so if I want to make use of the design library to take and use the predefined tools in the software, means I have to go with the assembly for making or joining the parts. So here first I am going with parts and OK. So a new screen has been developed. So here if you see file open, so these are the designs which have been drawn by me. So here if you have drawn so many diagrams, or if you have practiced many diagrams, then you can view or open all these and you can access them. So these are the diagrams. So let us close this one, and this is a new window. So here in SolidWorks software we will be having three planes. One is the front plane, another one is the top plane, as well as the right plane. So this is the origin point, so where we can start the diagrams usually. Okay, so here in SolidWorks software we have two options. One is the sketching option and another one is the features option. First we have to draw the diagrams in the form of 2D in every plane, and then we have to extrude or make it a 3D model using the features option. Okay, so this is the main screen which we have to use. Okay, so here file new we have opened. So here we have some drawing tools. Okay, so the line tool is there. If I click on the line tool, line option is there, center line option is there, and midpoint line option is there. Okay, so even if you don't know what is the purpose of the icon is, if you go and keep the mouse over there, so you can read the instructions. The main purpose of the icon you can view by simply moving on to the icon there. Okay, you can learn and self read also. So these are the options. If you see the circle option, if I click on the circle option is there, perimeter circle option is also there. So next one is the spline. Spline means if I want some curved lines, continuous curved lines, I can go with this spline option. Next one is a rectangle. So corner type of rectangle based on my diagram. If I want, I can use the corner rectangle option or center rectangle. From one point, if I have to draw a center rectangle, I can go with this option. 3-point corner rectangle are there, 3-point center rectangle is there, and parallelogram option is also there. Okay, while drawing an arc, there are three types of arcs. One is the center point arc, tangent arc, and 3-point arc is also there. Arc means simply if I want to join two parts, then I can go with this arc option. Okay, the ellipse option is there, partial ellipse, parabola. So these are the icons, tools which mainly we use for drawing the software. Okay, for drawing the design. So even if we don't know anything other than this is more than enough to draw the design, basic. This is enough. Okay, so next one is a polygon they have mentioned. If I click on the polygon, I have to give the number of size, whether it is 4 or whether it is 5 or whether it is 6 or 7. I have to give. Based on that, I can draw the shapes. Okay, mainly polygon, pentagon and all will be mainly used for drawing the screws, nuts and bolts. These things we will be using. For drawing the pipes and all, we will be using the circle. Circle option, pentagon option is more than enough. So which plane I want to draw the diagram, that plane I have to select here. Okay. So here we have this icon called sketch. I have to click on the sketch. So I get the front plane. Okay. So here I got the front plane. Now let us consider that I am taking this line. I draw a line over here and line over here, line. Okay, I have drawn, and finally after drawing this I have to click on the tick, which means that I am finishing the diagram. inserting the line. But if I see, this is like a rough diagram completely. This is quite not straight. So what I have to do is, I am just right clicking this line and I am clicking make horizontal. Okay, so this is the main advantage which we have in SolidWorks software compared to AutoCAD software. Okay, so I am just exiting this one. I am going on to features option. Extrude boss is the option which is used to convert the 2D drawing into a 3D one. So here 15 I am giving. Okay, so 15. Okay, so I got a model. Okay, so if I want to change the color and all, I can use appearance and I can apply to it. Okay, I can change the color.